guys, so I'm taking you on a little adventure with me. This morning I'm on Sunrise on 7, cooking up a few fish recipes that I've created with Humpty Doo Barramundi. And I can't wait to show you behind the scenes, prepping before we go on. It's a lot of fun. It goes really quickly. And it's very exciting to get to share some of my own recipe creations with my family at 7. So I'm very excited. Come along with me before we do anything else. Coffee, Grumpy Barista. I needed this morning. Last night I was, going over my talking points for my recipes, and I almost couldn't fall asleep. It's just, I think because I really love working with Humpty Doo Barramundi and love sharing on 7. So I was really worried about making sure I had everything right. So I went through my to-do list this morning, had a shower, went through my to-do list, make sure I had everything packed, and coffee. Oh, grumpy. Thanks, Carmelo. Okay, so I am cooking up the barramundi toast.
I just texted to Michael and say, does this look like good content? Because he's very particular about the fish. Alright, let's put those back in.
This is prepping. This is the little kitchen that we're prepping, and then that's the studio door before that we go into. But in the meantime, we're just cooking up some food. Oh, that was good move, wasn't it? Fold. Yeah. Perfect. Perfect. That way it's all in.
Walking out of space.
Yeah. Yum. Because I thought, I'll decide. Yeah, totally.
Oh, you actually? Oh, go to a plate with it. Like, no! So sorry that I need you to kiss the fish boy.
It's very fresh, like literally.